Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Story on piano. We'll start by understanding the song's key and time signature, which is typically G major and 4/4 time. Then, we'll identify the foundational chords, G major, D major, and E minor. These three chords form the backbone of the verse and chorus. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, focusing on a steady rhythm. This initial step is crucial for building a solid foundation for the entire song. Now let's dive into the verse and chorus. The verse typically follows a G, D, E minor, C major progression. The chorus uses the exact same four-chord sequence, making it easier to learn. Practice playing these four chords in order, ensuring each chord rings clearly. Pay close attention to the timing and feel of the song. A consistent rhythm, like playing each chord for 4 beats, will help you maintain the song's flow and recognizable melody. Next, we'll tackle the pre-chorus and bridge sections, which add a bit of variation. The pre-chorus often uses C, D, E minor, and C again, building anticipation for the chorus. The bridge introduces a slightly different feel, typically moving through C, D, E minor, C, and then D. Focus on the subtle rhythmic shifts and dynamics in these parts. Playing these sections with expression will bring more depth to your performance and capture the song's emotional arc. Finally, let's bring it all together by adding the melody and dynamics. Once comfortable with the chords, try playing the simple right-hand melody line. Start slowly, perhaps playing one note per beat. Experiment with playing some sections softer and others louder to add emotional depth. Using a metronome at around 82 beats per minute will help you maintain a steady tempo. Consistent practice will allow you to play Love Story beautifully and expressively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.